I've noticed today that one front right tire was losing air slowly, so I decided to move the car a little bit and look for a nail or screw, and here it is. I went ahead and took it out, and it's a pretty small one, that's why I was going slowly. So now I'm putting together the patch, which I'm gonna stick through in a little bit after making the hole a little bit better so that I can put this one through and seal it well. So I went ahead and make the hole, and then now I'm pushing in the material to seal it. It's really hard. You can see the whole car rocking, but I was able to put it through. Then I decided to mesh at air and to the recommended, and then I verify that with this one air pressure tool that I have. So I just put it in there, and it reads the pressure. That way I don't have to go in and out of the car all the time. And it was exact. So that was it. It's pretty much fixed. Thank you.